AAA is a federation of 44 affiliated motor clubs with over 53 million members. We have 1,100 offices throughout the United States and Canada with over 40,000 full-time employees. The exciting thing about working with AAA is our focus on the member. We are a member-centric organization. Oftentimes decisions are first weighed around member value before even business value is considered. That is why we align so well with the idea of advanced analytics and predictive modeling, because we are able to take information and really focus on the value around the member and creating really relevant member engagements. The MRM Action Center is an organization within AAA National that is designed to help clubs build and implement MRM strategies. MRM to us is CRM to the rest of the world. We do this first by helping clubs create a 360-degree view of their members and wrapping around strong analytics and predictive modeling around that data to help clubs build strong member engagements. In 2009, we purchased and partnered with KXCN over their Infinite Insight platform to really help us step up in the world of predictive analytics, to build robust models that are flexible and nimble across all our clubs. We provide these models really across multiple business lines. We do it for membership, for travel, financial services, and look at the entire customer life cycle in this process. Whether it's acquisition, retention, or cross-sell, we want to deliver to clubs real actionable analytics and models that help them build these engagements. We know we're successful because we measure all our results across three strong KPIs: strong member satisfaction, renewal rate, and an average number of products used by a membership household. I really see two big challenges. The first is adoption. We're always working to evangelize the use of models and predictive analytics around customer engagements. A big step of that is creating transparency around our model development. Gone is the day of the black box model. Our customers want to be involved in model creation, definition, and then in deployment of the models in real customer interactions. We also want to make sure that we identify and build best practices to help deliver and encourage people to use models. One is building strong campaign history tracking, so we're able to really illustrate results from models. And the second one is really helping clubs evangelize the success that they have so they can share those successes and encourage other people to use it. The second challenge is really to understand how channel preferences really impacts model prediction. In 1990, a marketer really had 6 channels to engage members over. Today I see over 30. In fact, there's another one. They're just coming at us from all angles. And so we need to be able to really understand how to take these new channels, integrate them within our predictive analytics, and be able to use that to strengthen our member engagements. Well, I see several trends in place this year, in the upcoming year. First is the shift to mobile, or miraculously that we've shifted to mobile. We've all seen displays of what they call the 4-screen family, where the family's sitting around watching TV in the evenings. Dad's working on his laptop, mom's on her tablet, the son on his tablet playing games, and the daughter in the corner texting on her mobile device. I mean, that is the reality of how people consume and interact with media today. That's going to be a big player in how we build customer engagements. Another one is really the change in the household composition. We don't only have single member households, we have single households, we have multiple families in a single household and multi-generational households. Again, that's going to be a big player. Another is just the complexity of our side today. We live in a very strong multicultural world, and be able to adapt multicultural traits in our modeling and our predictive is going to be vastly important. And the last is what I call the shift of 10. Decisions that I was making when I was in my 20s are now being made by the current generation in their 30s. And lifestyle decisions my parents made in their 60s are decisions that are now being made in the 70s and even in the 80s. All these things are going to cause us to go back and have to validate all the assumptions we've made in the past and use these trends and integrate them into our modeling to ensure that we're really creating relevant messaging. For our organization, it's been all about digital and the emergence or the integration of social and digital across everything we do. We've already talked about the shift to mobile and how the momentum around the mobile devices has really changed how customers interact with us in a big way. For AAA, we have really, as a result, launched into a full e-business strategy. We're working diligently to integrate social, digital, and mobile channels into everything we do. And it's not only just the use of those digital channels, but how do we integrate those into what we've traditionally done very well, which is our 1,100 branch offices, direct mail, lead generation, and our call centers.